Okay guys, I'm going to start a new subject, that is linear integrated circuit. Okay, so before starting everything, let me tell you some basic about this linear integrated circuit. Uh, it, it can be written as linear IC. Okay, I'm going to tell some main points. So here I have to write main points. Okay, okay, yeah. So it's linear IC. So what is the main thing is this? It is a solid state analog device. Okay, okay, it is solid analog device means it have infinite number of operating state. Okay, so means if we can give infinite number of inputs. Okay, and if you go and the main thing, we can give continuous range of input levels. Okay, input we can write as input as I/P input levels. Okay, and by if why we are saying this linear, so because of this linear property, we can give continuous range of input levels. Okay, let me write it levels. Okay, whatever. So if we see that if we write like digital IC, if anyone asks why we are not saying digital IC, so if we give digital IC, so it's also having digital integrated circuit which has a finite number. Okay, a finite number of, but the what happened here, input signal is analog, but here infinite number of discrete, okay, input and output state. Okay, okay, so what we seeing that if you have analog device, we can give continuous range of input levels, means we can give infinite number of operating state. But when we have, when we take digital IC, so we have to choose finite number of input and output in discrete manner. Okay, so let me start the topic, uh, and okay, let me tell more thing about this linear IC is it can be employing. Okay, it can be employ, it can be it can be employing, uh, let me give some points. Audio amplifier. Okay, audio amplifiers, and A to D converter. A to D means analog to digital. Okay, analog to digital, it's a very important topic, a full in LIC book. Okay, and okay, let me write more. Averaging amplifier. Okay, uh, okay, now we can write here differentiator. It's important, differentiator. And we can write here integrator. Okay, so like there is lot of application of this multi vibrator. I will make a video for in next session where you can learn about stable multivibrator and bistable monovibrator, monostable bivibrator, like that. Lot of topics is there which is related to linear integrated circuits. Okay, last we can write here oscillator and oscillate, like that. Whatever just like audio filter also is there. Audio filter also an example of this. Okay, so see what are we learn main point that it's a linear IC where if we have solid state, means if we in solid state, if we have analog, it can give infinite number of operating state. But if we have digital IC, analog means infinite number, but in digital IC we saw that it's having finite number of discrete input and output state, means here is we having continuously. Okay, so it's the continuously means, okay, let me tell you one more thing. Continuously means this output will be like this, but if it come to discrete, it will become like this. Then some difference will be there. It cannot be a good not being continuous order. Okay, so we saw this much employed. implied, okay, or we can say application, okay, application. And now we are going to last. I tell you about something linear IC is. Linear IC, it can be available in most large electronic stores, okay, okay, the most electronic large stores. And some device contains several amplifier within a single housing, means, okay, let me write this topic also, this point also. Several amplifier within a single housing, okay. Now we are see only what is linear integrated circuit. This is a book name. This much we have to know about this linear IC. What is linear IC and what is the employ, where we can employ, what is the application, and where we can buy, where we can get all these linear ICs. So see, next video will be start, and uh, we see the lot of points is there. So please like comments and subscribe this channel. That is Gupta G. Okay, okay, bye.